Hey guys, it's Unique Kitty Game here, and I finally got Screencast to work. Had to download Chrome. That's the thing right on the bottom. Here, wait, let me move then I can move this. Oh well. Actually, wait a second. It's right here. I do download Chrome, and plus, what else wasn't working was Five Nights at Freddy's Roleplay. That is my favorite game on Roblox. I always love to play with it. Okay. And I couldn't get any animatronics to work. So now I've got Chrome, and I finally got everything to work. By the way, I want to do an Animal Jam update. This might take a while. Because I got lag. Okay. And I will show you the update in just a second. If this could work. Finally, I gotta lower the volume. Sorry for the bad lag. Okay. Pigs are here. These incredible new animals are available to all gamers. A candle hat is just what you never knew. You always wanted. Did it before it's gone forever. Okay, but where do you get it? Do you get it at the Jammer Clothing? Oh yeah, today's Rare Monday. I forgot about that. Well, I don't care. I was missing Rare Monday anyway. Okay, so anyway, these incredible new animals are available to all jammers. Yeah, sure. Even though jammers don't get diamonds? And can be found in the diamond shop. Okay, that is where it gets me. It's a non-member animal. And my question is, how do jammers get diamonds? Like, I get it if they were, like a member and then they became a non-member and they still had their diamonds. That I would get. But still. Huh? How? Okay, save up all your diamonds and log in every day for a chance to win diamonds in the daily spin. Now I am about tomorrow, whenever I get my free diamond, I'm going to be buying a pig. And they are 5 diamonds. Okay, located inside the art studio in Coral Canyons, this new shop features all the amazing Paint Studio Den items, as well as the new Painter's Easel. Pick up this incredible new Den item and access the painting activity from the comfort of your own den. I already got that. I got it for gems, but now you have to buy it for diamonds. My voice. Oh, sure. Animal Jam Play Wild. Let's you take a fun of Jamal. with you on your mobile devices, and now free Animal Jam members will receive a free sapphire every day. They log into Play Wild. Okay, I already looked up on it, and every day you get a free sapphire. And if you didn't know, Play Wild is kind of like the beta version of Animal Jam, even though I don't even know what the beta version is, because I've never been into the beta version of Animal Jam. Wish I was. I was in one of the updates of Animal Jam whenever I first played it. I was a panda on a boat. I don't remember what update that was, but I don't know. I don't know how long ago that was, but I wanted to be a panda on Animal Jam. So whenever I went on Animal Jam for the very first time, I went on a boat. But whenever I made a new account, I wasn't even on a boat anymore. I was on the ground. And I was so confused. I was like, oh my gosh, what happened? Okay, Bunny's Only Party. You are invited to Bunny's Only Party. The cool underground party where all jammers. Okay, so if it's for all jammers, then why is it a Bunny's Only Party? Okay, just joking. Can have a hopping good time. Because you asked for a different animal pet or den item in the diamond shop, I can't speak, will be on sale every week. I can't speak. For half off. Check back often to see what's on sale. Okay, next thing. June 21st. I wish it was June 21st because my birthday's on June 28th. And I can't wait for my birthday. And ow. Okay, Make Music Day. A day when people all over the world gather together to make music. Celebrate this awesome day of talent by picking up your favorite musical den items, partying at the jam session. I can't say it. Skip that. Visiting the Daily Explorer to enter all the cool contests. And yes, I got this done. Okay, head to the Chamber of Knowledge. Wait a minute, I didn't even read this. Okay, if you're looking for the you can read that. But right now, I'm going to change to the Chamber of Knowledge. Do 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 do. I have no idea how to get to that little chamber thingy. The secret chamber thingy. Because it's pretty hard to get into. Like, my best friend knows how to, but I don't even know how. She showed me once, but I still have no idea. Okay, let's go back. And it's going to be lag crazy. If you guys want to skip this, you can. It's going to be so slow right now. I'm going to be going to sleep whenever I finally get on the last page. Come on already. What did I miss? Oh, still on the book, huh? I'm about to go nuts. Is this finally the last page? This is going to take a while. I think I'm on the last page. I have no idea. I think this is the last page. A group of pigs known as I think it's a pack. No, it's not drift. I know it sounds long. Pack. Hello, pack. Pack. Okay. Blank are the largest species of wild pigs. Bearded pigs, warthogs, wild boars. I don't know. It's not bearded pigs, as I've never heard of them. Unless if it's a pig with beard. With a beard. Okay. Warthogs, wild boars. I think it's warthogs. Okay, pigs use their sensitive blank to search for food. Snouts. Pigs keep cool by swimming. Domestic pigs are usually fed a diet of corn, barley, and oats, leaves and roots, rice and fruit. I think it's this. Okay. I am seriously not good at tests. Even if I'm doing this. Okay, snacks and corn and oats. Okay. Snaps. Okay. So it might be wild boars. Okay. Well, I guess it's a drift. Following? Yay! I'm so smart! Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I am so smart. I am the smartest person in the world. No, I'm not. Maybe I'll be able to get into this. Oh yeah, now I remember. I think she said light up all the candles. Okay. Move, move, move. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, go, go, go. I can't look at them. Come on! Come on! There we go. Last one. Okay, let's move it, move it, move it. I think that's it. Come on. Maybe you're supposed to turn to a different animal? I have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna turn to my big hole. Okay. This will not work. This will totally not work. I give up. I just give up, everybody. Okay, anyway, that's the end of this video. Will you hurry up and... Well, that's the end of this video.